Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 27 of the Cougar Connection. This week's student spotlight is Ariel Granis. Ariel is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School and a member of the Blue Barracuda team. And this past week, she participated in the state swim meet at the University of Kentucky. She qualified for the state swim meet by being the champion in the regional swim meet in the 100-yard butterfly and the regional runner-up in the 100-yard backstroke. Ariel is very dedicated to her sport, and she has a lot of self-discipline. She gets up every single morning at 6 a.m. and hits the gym, and she also swims every single day in an attempt to improve her times. Ariel sets really high goals for herself in the classroom and at the pool, and we just want to take a moment and congratulate you, Ariel, and we can't wait to see what amazing things you do, not only as a Simons Middle School Cougar, but also as a Fleming County Panther. This week's staff spotlight is Miss Morgan Jett. Miss Jett works in several capacities here at Simons Middle School. She teaches reading intervention. She works with the Performance Academy. She also helps with student growth. And she's also been teaching a section of health and fitness, PE. So we just want to take a moment and shout out to Miss Jett, though. The last few weeks she has subbed in many capacities as the sickness has hit pretty hard, and she has been a great team player, and she's done a great job. So thanks, Miss Jett, for all of your help. We really appreciate it. Upcoming this week, we do have the very first ever Paul's Night, and Paul's Night is going to be on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, after school, there will not be any sports activities or school-related activities. We're going to reserve this night just for families, and we're going to encourage students to go home and enjoy their families, enjoy their friends. There will also not be any type of tests on Thursday, so hopefully students won't have to worry about studying. They'll be able to enjoy the time off with their families and friends. For the rest of the week, we're pretty quiet on Monday. On Tuesday and Wednesday this week, we are going to have the field test. This is just a trial run of the K-Prep for next year. Actually, the state is planning to go to an all-online type of assessment, so this is kind of a trial run for that. On Tuesday, we're also going to have a leadership team meeting at 3:15 in the conference room. Wednesday, students, after we have the field test in the afternoon, we're going to have a student break, and we'll have Kona Ice on Wednesday as well. Also, teachers, if you are participating in restraint training, that first session is going to be FES, and it's going to start at 3:45 on Wednesday. And there's also a training session for the ACT at Fleming County High School from 3:30 to 4:30. On Thursday, we're going to have some visitors in our building for our TI Inspire. And on Friday, it's Can Will Must T-shirt day as always. We'll also have a $1 hat day, and we're going to have some visitors in our building that day as well for Gear Up. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.